Daddy. I can see the river.
Oh, well spotted, Miffy. Oh, lucky I've got such a keen-eyed co-pilot.
We must be nearly at Grandma and Grandpa's house.
That's right. See if you can spot it before...
Oh, there it is.
Oh, goodness me. You do have good eyes. Oh, I can't wait to get there. Grandpa said he's got a big surprise for us.
Oh, a surprise, a surprise. Grandma.
Hello, Miffy, love. And hello, dear. Grandpa's waiting for you both. Apparently, he's got a big surprise for you.
Hi, Grandpa. What's our surprise?
Miffy.
Now let your daddy and I have a proper catch-up first, and then I'll show you.
Can I go exploring?
Of course you can. Just like you at that age. Now, come and get a glass of lemonade.
What's this?
Busy exploring, Miffy.
I love exploring Grandpa's house. I wonder what's in here. Ooh!
That's beautiful, isn't it? Be careful, though. It looks very old.
Sail, 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 I'm sailing on the sea. Sail, 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 will you come and sail with me? Sail, 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 over the wobbly waves. Sail, 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 with the dolphins and the whales. There. I wonder what else is in here. Oh, what a funny coat!
It looks like it would fit a little bunny. I wonder who it belongs to.
Oh, there must be another little bunny somewhere. Grandma! Grandpa! Where's the other little bunny, Grandma? I want to play with them.
What other little bunny, Miffy?
The one with the nice toy boat.
Oh, that little bunny. As a matter of fact, he's with your grandpa right now.
Thanks, Grandma.
Oh.
Nothing but lemonade for a whole month. And then,
Yes, so about this surprise.
Well,
Little bunny, where are you?
who are you looking for, Miffy?
I'm looking for the little bunny.
Well, there's no little bunnies in here, apart from you.
No, not me. The little bunny who has a toy boat in the spare room.
Oh, that little bunny. Now, here he is.
He's wearing the jacket.
Well, well, was I ever that small?
You're the little bunny.
That's right. Or at least, I used to be.
He used to play with that boat all the time.
And it's still here? I'd forgotten all about it. Oh, come on, Miffy, show me. Oh, I have grown. Oh, and look at this. And this. Oh, they kept all my old toys. Oh,
The boat is the best.
oh yes. I had so many adventures with this boat. Sail, 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 sail my little boat. Sail, 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 on the water you will float. Sail, 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 across the wobbly sea. Sail, 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 it's a sailor's life for me. Here, Miffy, you have it.
Really? Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome. Grandpa gave it to me. It used to be his boat when he was a little bunny.
That must have been a long, long time ago.
Not that long ago, thank you very much. I say, why don't we all go down to the river for a spot of sailing?
Yes,
Oh,
please.
yes!
Sail, 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 I'm sailing on the sea.
Oh, why don't you get
What was that, Grandpa?
all part of the surprise. Now come along.
It was your boat first, so you should have first go.
Oh, thank you, Miffy. Sail, 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 sailing down the stream. Sail, 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 that's every sailor's dream. Sail, 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 sail down to the sea. Sail, 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 will you come and sail with me?
I love your boat, Grandpa.
Oh, thank you, Miffy. But now, are you ready for your surprise?
Look, Daddy, look!
Ahoy there, Miffy! Surprise!
Ahoy there, Grandpa! I like your new boat even more than your old boat.
Well, I always said I'd have a real boat when I grew up.
And now you do.
It's brilliant. Can we have a go?
What are you waiting for? Let's set sail!
Sail, 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 sailing down the stream. Sail, 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 that's every sailor's dream. Sail, 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 sail down to the sea. Sail, 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 will you come and sail with me? Yellow and blue and red, and 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 yellow and blue and red.
Oh, I think you've gone all the way round now, Miffy.
I love my new umbrella. I can't wait to show my friends. Oops.
Oh, Miffy, let's put Aunt Alice back on the wall.
Sorry, Mummy.
I know you love your new umbrella, Miffy, but you can't hold it all the time.
Yes, I can. I'm going to show my friends now. Bye, Mummy.
Bye, Miffy. Have fun.
No, Snuffy, you can't play with my umbrella. It's not a stick. Oh, all right, Snuffy. Here you go. Fetch! Oh. Huh. Fetch! Uh-oh. Sorry, Snuffy. I can't reach it. I know. Oh. Oh. Yes. See you later, Snuffy. I'm off to find Melanie and Grunty.
Yeah. Oh. Hello, Miffy.
Hi, Boris. Look.
Oh, I like your umbrella. Such bright colours. But I don't think it's going to rain today.
I know.
I've got lots and lots of apples to pick.
I'll help you, Boris. I can be your apple carrier.
Oh, thank you, Miffy. And I'll be the apple picker.
Thank you. There. Oh, sorry, Boris. I can only carry one at a time.
Oh. Why don't you put that umbrella down, Miffy? It'll make it so much easier.
No, thank you. I want to keep my umbrella with me.
Yeah. Oh, I need more arms. This is a job for an octopus, not a bear. Here, take this one.
Thank you.
Whoa. Oh,
I'll hold a ladder for you.
thank you. Oh, I shouldn't really try to climb down holding so many... Whoa! Apples!
My umbrella caught them.
Well done, Miffy. You know you can fold your umbrella up.
No, I like it like this, Boris. I want to see all the colours.
All right. They are pretty.
Bye, Boris.
Bye, Miffy. And thanks for being my apple carrier.
Ooh, 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 woo, woo. Hello. Hi, Miffy. Look at my new umbrella. You don't need an umbrella, Miffy. It's a sunny day. We're playing balancing. This is tricky. You try, Miffy. It's fun. Okay. You should put your umbrella down first. It will get in the way. No, it won't. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh. Oh. Wow. Wow, you're really good at balancing. Even with an umbrella. Actually, it helped me. What should we play next? How about catch? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ha. Ah. Oh, got it! You need both hands to catch a ball. Your umbrella's in the way. Put it down, Miffy. No, I want to keep holding it. You'll have to play without me. Oh, okay. Oh, come on, Grunty. My guy. Here.
What's the matter, Miffy?
Everyone thinks my umbrella just gets in the way. Maybe I should have left it at home. It isn't any use on a sunny day.
No use? Are you sure, Miffy? Didn't you use it to catch the apples that Boris dropped?
Yes.
And to get Snuffy's stick down when it was stuck?
Yes.
And didn't it help you balance on the log just now?
Yes.
So it has been useful, just not in the way you might expect.
You're right. I think I will keep it after all. Oh, it's raining. Look.
Well, well, using an umbrella to keep dry in the rain? What a clever invention.
Miffy, we need your umbrella. Granty. Melanie.
Good morning, Miffy. Off to school?
Yes, I can't wait.
What's your favourite thing about being at school? Drawing pictures? Playing games? Singing songs?
No, it's seeing all my friends. There they are. Can't catch me. Run, Grunty. Gotcha. You're it now. Whoa, you can't get me. Oh, you got me. Hello, everybody. Hello, Miffy. Hi, Miffy. You're it. Oh.
Come along now.
You were nearly late.
In you come, everybody.
You're it now, Grunty. Oh, no you don't. Almost.
Thank you, Grunty. Settle down.
Sorry, miss.
It's time to start.
Oh. What was that noise? What noise? I didn't hear anything.
Today I want to teach you about the noises that different animals make. The first one is a cow. Who can tell me what noise a cow makes?
Oh,
No calling out, Miffy. Put your hand up if you know the answer.
but I didn't.
And cows don't squeak. They...
Oh. Moo, miss.
That's right, Dan. Cows go moo.
Moo, 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 moo.
Calm down, Grunty. Now, what noise does a horse make? No, Miffy, horses don't squeak. They... Melanie.
No.
That's right, Melanie. Last one. So, who can tell me what noise a sheep makes? No, Miffy. Sheep do not go squeak. And please put your hand up rather than calling out.
But I am putting my hand up, miss. Look. Miffy's got a squeaky arm.
Thank you, Grunty. Well, this is a mystery.
I've never heard of a squeaky arm before. Try standing up, Miffy. Now put your hand up. She didn't squeak. It's gone. Thank you, Dan. It's back again. I guess that might happen. But I didn't lift my arm. It's not your arm that's squeaky. It's your chair. My chair? Let me try. I thought so. It's definitely the chair that's squeaky.
So I see, and so I hear.
Well done, Dan.
Thank you, Dan. Oh, well, now we know what's making the squeak, but it's still very distracting. You'll just have to try and keep still, Miffy.
Sorry, miss. I'll be quiet as a mouse.
A mouse? That gives me an idea. Since we can't stop the noise happening, we can make it part of the lesson.
What do you mean, miss?
I'm going to teach you a funny song to help you remember which animal makes what noise.
Yay!
Dan, you can be the cow. Melanie, a horse. Now, who can be the sheep?
Ooh. Bah! Bah! Bah!
Very good, Grunty. But wait till I point to you. Is everybody ready?
Miss, you didn't give Miffy an animal.
Wait and see, Melanie. Now, when I point at you, make the noise of your animal. Down in the farmyard, what did I see? A cow went
Moo, moo, moo.
at me. Down in the farmyard, what did I see? A horse went
Neigh, neigh, neigh.
at me. Down in the farmyard, what did I see? A sheep went
Ba, ba, ba.
at me. Down in the farmyard, what did I see? A mouse went at me.
I'm the mouse. Squeak, squeak, yay.
Oh, well
Yeah.
done, Miffy. You're the best mouse I've ever heard.
Let's sing it again. Can I be the mouse? No, me. It was Dan who found the squeak, so I think Dan should be the mouse. Thanks, Miffy.
Oh, yes. What a good idea, Miffy.
Oh, I wanted to be the squeaky mouse in the squeaky chair.
Everyone can have a turn in the squeaky chair. Now form a line.
Down in the farmyard, what did I see?
A mouse went
At me. Down in the farmyard, what did I see?
A mouse went
At me.
down in the farmyard. What did I see? A mouse went
At me.
down in the farmyard. What did I see? A mouse went
Squeak,